Your Super Duty truck may be equipped with diesel engine exhaust braking capabilities. The vanes on the exhaust side of the turbocharger can adjust to generate engine exhaust back pressure, or engine braking. This helps provide better control when pulling large or heavy trailers, driving with a large or heavy payload, or when traveling on steep grades, up or downhill. The three settings, on, auto, and off, are all controlled by pressing the engine brake button, which is above the touchscreen. The on setting activates full engine braking. You'll see this indicator illuminated in your instrument cluster. In this setting, full engine braking will be applied when you take pressure off the accelerator pedal to reduce vehicle speed. The auto setting is activated by pressing the engine brake button again at any time while the on setting is activated. The instrument cluster indicator will change to the automatic engine brake icon. The auto setting modulates engine braking as needed to help maintain vehicle speed based on your accelerator and brake pedal use. This helps deliver the appropriate amount of engine braking needed to control the vehicle, depending on vehicle load or road grade. Push the button again to turn this feature off. The off setting is the system default mode, but after short key cycles, your vehicle will remember the last state of engine exhaust braking. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.